In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a project into GitHub using GitHub desktop software. First, open the GitHub desktop application on your computer. If it's your first time using it, make sure it's installed and that you're signed into your GitHub account. Having the app open is all you need to begin. At the top of the GitHub desktop window, go to the File menu. This is where you'll find options to manage repositories on your machine. From this menu, choose New Repository to create a brand new local repository that will hold your project. A setup window will appear. Start by entering a clear, concise repository name. This name becomes the folder name on your computer and the project name on GitHub if you publish later, so pick something readable and descriptive. Add a short description as well. It helps you and your collaborators quickly understand the purpose of the project. Next, choose the local path. This is the exact location on your computer where the repository folder will be created. You can browse to an existing directory or create a new one. A good practice is to keep all your code projects under a single parent folder so everything stays organized. Before creating the repository, choose a gitignore template that matches your technology stack, such as Node, Python, or Unity. The .gitignore file tells Git which files to skip, helping you avoid committing build artifacts, environment files, or other clutter. You can also choose a license here. Picking a license clarifies how others can use your code. If you're unsure, you can leave it blank and add one later. When everything looks right, click Create Repository. Once the repository is created, click Show in Folder. This opens the new repository folder on your computer. Move your existing project files and folders into this new location. You can drag and drop or copy and paste. Just make sure you move the contents of your project into this repository folder, not the other way around. Avoid nesting another repository inside. If your old project already had a .git folder, decide whether to keep that history or start fresh here. After you've moved the files, return to GitHub Desktop. You should now see all your project files listed as changes, which means Git is tracking them in this new repository. From here, you're set up and ready to commit your work and, when you're ready, publish to GitHub. That's the entire setup, clean and organized using GitHub Desktop.